Hello, I'm Crafter Wong. Welcome to the episode of Crafter Wong with Crafter Wong. In this episode, I'm making Mega Tyranitar. I have to admit, this model isn't too difficult to make. There's just a lot of pieces that have to be kept track of and put on correctly. Just a small, just my opinion section here. I'm not a big fan of the Mega Evolutions for pseudo-legendaries. I just feel like they never added anything special to them. Like they added special things like Kangaskhan and Mawile, but they didn't seem to have that big of an impact for the pseudo legendaries, which sort of makes sense. But I just feel like they were there for fan service, so that's just my opinion, anyways. If you want to build a model with me, you can download the templates in the link in the description. Don't forget to, since you're there, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite Mega Evolution Pokemon. Besides that, I hope you enjoy the video. At the end of the day, this model took me about 2.5 models. 2.5 models? Oh my god. Oh, hey, oof. Took me 2.5 hours to make. I'm pretty sure you get the idea. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite Mega Evolution. And yeah, I'm just, yeah, I don't know. That's all I got. So until next time, bye bye.